What's up, guys? Alright, so we're going to talk about how to install a Powerbolt 2 Deadbolt. So I've already taken out the old one. Now, if you didn't see my other video, I had the same type of lock, except it was the smart one, and it only lasted 2 years. And I wasn't happy about paying $200 for that thing, which I never actually used the smart capabilities of it. I mean, maybe in the first month or so, but it was more like a gimmick than anything. So I paid, you know, 80 bucks or something like that for this Smart Pro 2, or this Powerbolt 2. So let's go over what they give you. So alright, so they give you this, the keypad, the alignment bar, screws and such, keys, this nifty thing, set of instructions. Oh, and I forgot to mention they give you the actual, you know, deadbolt. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab it like that and slide it in. Alright, so we got that in. Take the 2 screws that they gave us and screw them in. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do after we put the bolt in is we're going to install the keypad. Okay? So you open the door, you get the wire that comes with this thing underneath, and you slide this bar through there. And hopefully it sits there like that. Okay? You got to keep your hand over here. Alright, get you to let go a little bit. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take this alignment plate, okay? You're going to slide your wire through here. And then, well, I'm going to hold the wire just to keep it straight. And I'm going to take this bolt right here. I'm going to screw one in just to hold it. Now I can let go. And then take the other one and screw it in. Okay, so now you want to make sure that she's lined up vertically, up and down, looks good on both sides. Alright, so now you're going to grab this right here. You're going to grab it, you're going to pull up, and then pull out. Okay? That way you can take these 2 screws and this screw and screw it in. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug it in. That looks good. So grab this screw, put it there. This screw. That was weird.
Yeah.
Alright. Now, as far as programming, I gotta, you're gonna love this. But if this video helped you as far as the installation, you know, go ahead and like it. If you like how-to videos and how to do stuff, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But take a look at this. I had a little problem. So what I'm gonna say is, I found another YouTuber or YouTube video that he explained it very, very well. He actually, I mean, the instructions that they send you are this guy is awesome. Alright, so I'm going to put a link in there. It doesn't tell you have to master reset it. It doesn't tell you, I hit the lock button and nothing was happening. I was very frustrated. So I'm going to put the link in there as far as how to program it, because I'm not going to do everything that this guy did. I mean, he told you everything.